Looking to pass AZ-700 Azure networking solutions without feeling overwhelmed? In this video, I'll break down the exam into simple, real-world concepts you can finally understand, plus 3 practice questions to test your knowledge along the way. Let's get started. The AZ-700 exam focuses on 5 major areas. 1. Private access to Azure services, about 10 to 15% of the exam. To master this section, focus on understanding how private link and private endpoints create secure internal-only access to Azure services. Practice setting up private DNS zones, because that's where most issues happen, and make sure you know why Azure uses privatelink.azure domains. They're essential for correct name resolution. In the exam, when a VM can't reach a private service, it's almost always a DNS issue. Quick question. Which Azure feature allows you to access an app service privately through your VNet? A. Service endpoint. B. Private endpoint. C. Public IP. D. Application gateway. Correct answer, B. Private endpoint. 2. Network security and monitoring. Visualize Azure security like a building. NSGs are your simple door guards. Azure Firewall is the main security control center. DDoS protection is the reinforced gate. And Network Watcher with Azure Monitor are your surveillance cameras. Most exam questions here ask which tool to use when troubleshooting packet captures, connection failures, or suspicious traffic. And if you understand each role, the answers come naturally. Test yourself again. Which tool helps you capture network packets in Azure? A. Azure Firewall. B. Azure Monitor. C. Network Watcher. D. Log Analytics. Correct answer, C. Network Watcher. 3. Routing. Routing in Azure is just traffic direction. Think of system routes as Azure's default roads, UDRs as custom detours, and BGP as the traffic controller between Azure and on-premises networks. In the exam, routing problems usually come down to UDRs, unintentionally overriding system routes, incorrect VNET peering settings, or missing gateway transit configuration. 4. Core networking infrastructure. Picture a VNet as a neighborhood, subnets as its streets, IP addresses as house numbers, peering as walkways between neighborhoods, and gateways as bridges to other cities. To succeed here, get comfortable planning address spaces, configuring peering correctly, using Azure DNS, and understanding hub-and-spoke designs. Many exam questions are simply testing whether you know when to use Allow Gateway Transit or use remote gateways. Here's your last quick check. To let a spoke VNet use a hub VNet's VPN gateway, what must be enabled? A. DDoS standard. B. NSG flow logs. C. Allow gateway transit plus use remote gateways. D. ExpressRoute direct. Correct answer, C. You need both. 5. Hybrid networking. Hybrid networking connects your on-prem environment to Azure. A site-to-site VPN acts like an underground tunnel, ExpressRoute is a private high-speed highway, and Virtual WAN is a large interchange connecting multiple branches. Troubleshooting is big in this section. Know that Tunnel Diagnostic Log helps diagnose IPsec tunnel failures, while iKey Diagnostic Log highlights negotiation issues. Think of this exam as learning to design the roads, security checkpoints, and private tunnels that connect your cloud environment. You can also use practice question platforms, PrepBolt is one example, to simulate real AZ-700 scenarios and test your timing. Use them as learning tools, not answer banks. If you want more simplified Azure networking breakdowns or practice question walkthroughs, make sure to like and subscribe. In the next video, we'll solve real AZ-700 questions step by step using these same simple explanations. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your Azure networking journey.